So, good morning. My topic for today is life below water. So, our environment is very important, especially life below water, because us consumers consumes a lot of seafoods and benefit from its vitamins and minerals that we can get from them. And also, our fellow fishermen are depending their lifestyle on aquatic creatures like fish, uh, shellfish, and many more. So they get their living out of the sea. So it is very important to them, the life below water. So one of the actions that our government performs towards helping life below water is the banning of plastics. So because plastics are needed a very long time to dissolve, and especially when the plastics are being dumped on the rivers and later on goes to the sea and damage aquatic lives. So one of the movement that the government also did was the banning of plastic straws, because especially straws, they are thin and they more likely to be entangled to the sea creatures like turtles and cost them their lives. So it is very happy to it's very happy to know that there are movements, there are plans from the government to control plastics and might save animal lives in water, in oceans, not only in ocean but in the rivers, ponds, and different bodies of water. So as a normal citizen, as a normal people, I encourage everyone to comply, and small steps can make a big difference if it is performed by many people. So let's contribute and save the life below water. It is very important, and without it, there will be also no humans, and we don't like that to happen. So let's contribute and give back to our mother nature, so that in the future, our future families can live in a better place. So that's all, and I hope as a normal citizen we will contribute, and obey not let's obey the policies that the government says, and it is for our own good. And that's all. Thank you.